The Family Handyman 11% series turns the spotlight on the 11% of women currently working in the trades. We talked to plumber Judaline Cassidy about introducing women and girls to trade work through her nonprofit, Tools and Tiaras.
So at Tools and Tiaras, what we do is we have free monthly workshops for women and girls. And what we try to do is expose you to the careers in the trades like plumbing, carpentry, ironworking, architecture, engineering, all of these amazing fields that are within STEAM: science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. So by doing this, you can realize that you can do this. And for all you contractors listening, you need to start advertising and making a really huge push to get the amazing side of the population that I love, women, to get to do these jobs because it will be a game changer for your company and for women.